Clean like never before with reliable steam. The incredible Enviromates from Reliable are designed to take on the toughest cleaning jobs with ease. Eliminate dirt, destroy germs and bacteria, and deodorize with high-temperature vapor steam. Say goodbye to strong chemical cleaners, since the Enviromates only use clean, natural tap water. Used throughout the home, on all types of surfaces. Let's take a look. Instantly freshen every room in the home. Clean and sanitize sealed hardwood, tile floors, and even carpeted surfaces. Use your Reliable Steam Cleaner on couches, chairs, throws, pillows, and pet beds. Your bedroom will never be cleaner than after a quick once-over with your Enviromate. High-temperature vapor steam will eliminate bed bugs at all stages of growth, destroy and remove dust mites, and kill fleas and their larvae. You can use them on pillows, dressers, night tables, baseboards, and blankets. Kitchen surfaces will sparkle and shine after a good steam cleaning. Destroy and dissolve even the most stubborn, gritty, and greasy spots so they're easily wiped away. You can use it on appliances, refrigerators, countertops, sinks, and range hoods. Outside the home, the Enviromates work wonders as well. Dissolve dirty, streaky residue on window glass and screen doors. It's as simple as a quick steam and a wipe. Put it to work in the garage, for car detailing, boat maintenance, cleaning the barbecue grill, or outdoor furniture. In the bathroom, you can easily eliminate odors, mold, and mildew. Dingy grout doesn't stand a chance. You can use them on all bathroom surfaces, including sinks, bathtubs, mirrors, around toilets, and even on shower doors. The Enviromates come complete with a variety of high-quality, easy-to-use accessory kits designed to tackle any cleaning job with ease. Harness the power of steam for your home, the health of your family, and the environment. Transform the way you clean with the Enviromates and Reliable Steam.
Start cleaning with steam with a Reliable Enviromate from Vacuum Direct.